Welcome to YouTube channel. This is Srinivas Sangoju. In this class, we are going to learn the first chapter, real numbers, in 9th class. So, in our earlier classes, you have learnt about the number sets, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers. Just once again, we have to recall them. The first number set is natural numbers. In this natural numbers, the numbers start from 1, 2, 3 and so on, and this is denoted by capital N. Okay, and next number set is whole numbers. What are whole numbers? Whole numbers start from 0 and 1, 2, 3 and so on. So this is denoted by capital W. And next number set is integers. In this number set we have negative numbers and whole numbers. So it is denoted by Z. Okay. And the next number set is rational numbers. So what are rational numbers? Rational numbers are in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q must not be equal to 0. Means the fractions, all the fractions will come under rational numbers. So what are rational numbers here? Rational numbers are in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q must not be equal to 0, and this is denoted by Q, capital Q. So all these sets you have learnt in your earlier classes. So now in this class we shall discuss clearly rational numbers. Rational numbers are in the form of P by Q, means fractions. For example, if you take a rational number 3 by 5, it is a rational number. This is in the form of P by Q, where P comma Q are integers. P comma Q are integers. And a Q not equal to 0. This is one rational number. Another 4 by 9. It is also a rational number. Minus 5 by 10. In this way you can write so many rational numbers. So every rational number, it can be expressed in decimal form also. Decimal form. For example, 3 by 5 is there. What is the decimal form of 3 by 5? How can we change it into decimal form? Means that is 3 is divided by 5. Numerator, denominator. Numerator is divided by denominator. So it is not possible, so you keep 0.56 30. So 0.6 is the decimal form of 3 by 5. 4 by 9 is there. 4 by 9. What is the decimal form of 4 by 9? So 4 is divided by 9. It is not possible, so you keep 0 point and here you write 0. 9 4 the 36. What is the remainder here? You get 4 in the remainder. So it is again not possible to take 0 because already you have kept a decimal in the question part. So you take as many zeros as you want. So 9 again 4 the 36. Again you will get 4. So it will go on 0.444. So you can write 0.4 bar. So by observing these two rational numbers, we can conclude that any rational number can be expressed in the form of decimal, either terminating decimal or non-terminating repeating decimal. This is terminating decimal because we got the denominator 0 here, so the remainder 0 here. In the division, the remainder, if you get 0, that is terminating decimal. If you do not get a remainder 0 and it will be continuing repeating some number again and again, then it is non-terminating repeating decimal. So that is denoted by bar. Means which part is repeating again and again, you keep bar on that part. So this is terminating decimal, this is non-terminating. Terminating, this is non-terminating. Two types of decimals we can get from rational numbers. So any rational number can be expressed as terminating decimal either or non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay, now we shall take some rational numbers. How to represent the rational numbers on number line. Okay, let us see how to represent the given rational numbers on number line. For example, 6 by 7. So 6 by 7 represent on number line. So how can we represent 6 by 7 on number line? So let us take number line. In the middle you will get 0, and here 1, and here 2, and in the left side -1 and -2 and -3, so on. Right side, so on. Okay. So where does 6 by 7 lie? Okay, where is it located? Can you guess? 6 by 7 located between which two integers? It is positive, so it must be greater than 0. So, but where does it lie? Does it lie between 0 and 1? Or does it lie between 1 and 2? How can we know? What is the process? So 6 by 7, if you observe this fraction, it is proper fraction. Means value must be less than 1. Proper fraction means numerator is less than the denominator, then it is known as proper fraction. All proper fractions between 0 and 1. All proper fractions between 0 and 1. So it must lie between 0 and 1. It must lie between 0 and 1. So now you divide this 0 to 1, 7 equal parts. How many equal parts here we are doing? 7 equal parts, which is equal to the denominator. Why we are taking 7 parts means because the denominator is 7. If you have denominator 8, you make it 8 equal parts. So we have 7. So you make it 7 equal parts, that is 0 by 7. Okay. 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, and the last is 7 by 7, that is equal to 1. When you get 7 by 7, that value is equal to 1, because if you cut 7, 7 1 ja, 7 1 ja, you will get 1. So now 0 to 1 we have divided into 7 equal parts. Here you will get 6 by 7. This is 6 by 7. So we have represented 6 by 7 on the number line. So in this way you can represent any fraction or any rational number on the number line. If you take one more, for example, minus 6 by 7 is there. So minus 6 by 7, it must lie between minus 1 and 0, left side. Again you take 0 by 7 and this is minus 7 by 7. Between 0 and minus 1 you make 7 equal parts as you have done in the previous. Okay, so this is 0 by 7, this is minus 1 by 7, this is minus 2 by 7, minus 3 by 7, minus 4 by 7, minus 5 by 7, minus 6 by 7, minus 7 by 7. So when you get minus 7 by 7, that equals to minus 1. So you have minus 6 by 7 here. So this is minus 6. So in this way you can represent any rational number on the number line. So what we are doing here, if it is a proper fraction, it must be 0 and it must be between 0 and 1. And you have to make the 0 and 1 into some equal parts. That equal parts must be equal to the denominator. So how much denominator you have here, you have to make that many equal parts. Then you will get the required rational number on the number line. Okay, this is representing the number lines on the representing the fractions or rational numbers on the number line. Okay, we shall take one more topic in our next class for 9th. Okay.